Assalamu alaikum. So today our topic is expand, that is a basic subtopic of algebra. Expand and factorization are basic topics of algebra. So I have already made a video on factorization. So today we will do the questions of expand, like I will do some past paper questions of O levels and IGCSE. So question number 1 is 2x into 3 minus x square. So how to expand? As I already told you in another video, that expand means you have to remove the brackets, and factorization means you have to introduce the brackets. So in this question we have we have to remove the brackets. Okay, so we will multiply 2x with 3 and we will multiply 2x with x square. So 2x will be multiplied with 3. So what will be our answer? 3 to the 6x plus, this is plus, so plus and minus will remain, like plus and minus is minus. So you will write here minus sign, and 2x will be multiplied with x square. If 2x will be multiplied with x square, so you have to use here the rule of indices, like x and x base are same and it has one power. So x1 and x square bases values are multiplying, they have same base, and you will add the powers. So it will become 2x, powers will be added, so it will become 2x cube. Okay, so we will do next question. So just that is our answer. Question number 2, like we will do some simple question first. a cube plus 3, a into a cube plus 3. Okay, so here we will repeat the same procedure, like a will be multiplied with a. So as bases are same and values are multiplying, so powers will be added. It has one power. 1 plus 3 is 4. So our answer will be a 4, and 3 will be multiplied with a, so it will become 3a. Simple, that is our answer. And next question. Question number 3. Question is 7 into x minus 8. So same method we have to use here. 7 will be multiplied with x, 7x, and 7 will be multiplied with 8. So it will become 7 8s are 56. So simple, this is our answer. This is our final answer. Next question. Okay, so we will do some difficult questions now. The question is expand and simplify. Okay, expand and simplify. So question is 3x minus 7 into 2x plus 9. So what we have to do in this question, we will just expand the brackets, like we will remove the brackets and we will simplify as well. 3x will be multiplied with 2x first, then 3x will be multiplied with 9, and then 7 will be multiplied with x, and 7 will be multiplied with 9 as well. So this is our procedure. Now 3x will be multiplied with 2x, so 3 to the 6, and x will be multiplied with x, so it will become x square, 6x square. Now 3x will be multiplied with 9, plus 9 3s are 27x. So minus 7 to the 14, 7 2 are 14x, plus minus minus 7 9 the 63, 3 2 are 6x square, plus 9 3 the 27x, minus 7 2 are 14, and plus minus minus 7 9 the 63. So now we have to simplify. Now what does simplify means? Like we have to solve the like terms, like 27x minus 14x, both are like terms. We will solve them. 6x square will be written as it is. So what, how to solve it? Plus minus minus, we have actually subtract. 27 minus 14 is 13. So a sign will be of greater value, it will become plus 13x minus 63 will be as it is. So this is the step of simplification. Okay, so next question. Okay. So next question is question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, so it's the same question. We have to expand and simplify. Question is 6 into 2y minus 3 minus 5 y plus 1. So this is the question. What we have to do here? 6 will be multiplied with 2y and 6 will be multiplied with 3. 6 2 are 12y minus 6 3 are 18 minus 5 will be multiplied with y and 5 will be multiplied with 1. And don't forget to change this sign because of this negative sign that is outside the bracket. So because of this sign that is outside the bracket, if this will be negative, this is the rule. If this will be negative, you have to change all the signs that will be inside the bracket. So inside the next bracket actually. Okay, so minus plus minus. So 5 under 5. So now what we have to do? This is the step of expand. Now we have to simplify. How to simplify? Same terms will be simplified like that. 12y minus 5y is 7y. Minus 18 minus 5 minus minus plus. Actually we have to add them and sign will be of greater value, that is minus, and 23, that will be our final answer. Okay, question number 6. So next question, 2p plus 3, 3p minus 2. Same method we have to use. 2p will be multiplied with 3p and 2p will be multiplied with 2. So 3 to the 6 p square minus 2p will be multiplied with 2 and 2p will be multiplied with 3p. So plus minus minus 2 to the 4p. Now 3 will be multiplied with 3p, so it will be plus 3 3 is 9p, and plus 3 will be multiplied with minus 2. So plus minus minus. First of all you have to multiply the sign. Then 3 will be multiplied with 2. Like 3 will be multiplied with 3p and 3 will be multiplied with 2. So this is the procedure. So plus minus minus 3 to the 6 is equal to, now we have to simplify. Simplify means like terms, we have to solve like terms. These two are like terms, so 6p square as it is, plus minus minus, so 9 minus 4 is 5, so 5 will be of greater value is 9, so plus 5p minus 6. So this is our final answer. Okay, so 1 or 2 more questions we will do. Question number 7. Question number 7 is 4 5w plus 3 minus 2w minus 1. These all are the past paper questions of O levels and IGCSE. So same method, 4 will be multiplied with 5w, 5 4s are 20w, 4 will be multiplied with 3, 4 3s are 12, minus 2 will be multiplied with w, 2w, and now we will change this sign because of this negative sign that is outside the bracket. So please don't forget to change it, otherwise your whole question will be wrong. Minus minus plus and 2 1s are 2. Okay, now we will simplify it. 20w minus 2w are the like terms, and 12 and 2 are the like terms. 20w minus 2w 18w, and plus 12 plus 2 is plus 14. So that is our final answer. One last question I will solve. Question number 8. 5 minus n and 3 plus n. So 5 will be multiplied with 3 first, and then 5 will be multiplied with n. So 5 3s are 15 plus 5, and now we have to multiply minus n with 3 and minus n with plus n. So minus n will be multiplied with 3 minus 3n, and minus n will be multiplied with plus n minus n square. Now we will simplify. We have to solve these two terms. 15 will be as it is, plus minus minus, 5 minus 3 is 2, sign will be of greater value, minus n square. So that is our final answer. Let me highlight the answers. This is the final answer of this question, and this is the final answer of this question. This is the final answer of this question. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you can leave in comment section. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.